Yes.
It is the day after your holy vacation, and we have worked for 3 hours regarding improvement in your capability of spoken English. There are different problems with different persons. Problem is person to person different. It means a problem is not the same for all of you. The only problem which is common is not to begin your attempt. Why? You don't know why you don't want to start with the target which you decide to do. You desire, you aspire, but the life itself has got made you mental slaves. You don't want to liberate your brain. Liberation, freedom does not come from outside. The bondage also does not come from outside. A person who is fighting, a person who is attempting, a person who is struggling for freedom has the zeal, has the need, has felt the value of freedom, value of improvement, value of development, value of enrichment in your vocabulary, in your pronunciation, in your sentence framing, and in your presentation. But you again and again slip while attempting. The desire is not that deep that it can make you restless. You are at perfect peace. You go, eat, and sleep with full of dreams of various kinds.
Yes, sir.
But I want you to remain awake. I want you to not to be in sleeping mode. I want you to be restless till you begin your attempt. I just told you about the price, about the amount, and you asked, what will be the topic? It means you were interested in the victory in that competition.
Yes, sir.
But without improving your performance, how can you get the entry slip? Let the competition be there. You will not be there to speak. Will you be?
Yeah.
If you can't clear your pre, your mains, your written examination can you appear for interview?
No.
And if you even appear and cross the interview, can't you fail during training? Will you get the appointment to receive the check of salary? It is just not possible. You can fail at any step during the whole process. So, the last point where you have to reach is important. No, it is irrelevant. The place where you are standing is most valuable place, most important place. Your step, your first step, your beginning is more important for you than the output, because output comes according to your performance. Your performance appears according to your capability. Your capability, either it improves or decreases. It can't stay where you were yesterday, where you are today. You are not going to remain at the same point tomorrow also. Future is beyond your imagination. You can't imagine. None can imagine. So please, I request you all to go to your residence, to read as deep as you can, to recite as much as you can, to make your audio or video clips, listen by pausing after every sentence. Judge yourself whether the sentence is correct or sentence is wrong.
No.
Whether your presentation is attractive or not attractive. Whether people are affected by your personality or they go away from you. If they go away from you, it means there is some problem in your own self, not in the people, not in the masses. Masses are always correct. The wrong you are. So please, I request again, out of 50, only 7 are here. Only 3 were invited in the campus. Let them be 10, 20. But if 20 are not here, means they are not interested. They are satisfied with their performance. They are satisfied with their level of knowledge. They are satisfied with their salaries. I am not satisfied. I am not satisfied with my present. I am not satisfied with my past. I am not satisfied with my near future. I am going to do something which I have not done yet. Thank you. This much is more than enough.